How to buy 1-inch crypto on eToro. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy 1-inch crypto in eToro fast and easy. So first thing you do, you go to etoro.com, and after that you need to go here to the watch list, and now you will find all the cryptos right here, and you will find also the 1-inch crypto. If you didn't find it, you can add it from here or search for it in the search bar, and then click on it like this and go to trade. Click on trade like this, choose the amount of money that you want to invest on this crypto, and then let's just say 700, and then click open trade. After you click open trade, you will be invested 700 invested easy and fast on this crypto. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.